Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amanda and welcome to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys tuning into this video and just clicking on this video. But today I am going to be doing a glam holiday look right over here. I really love how this look came out, and I really think that it's super wearable for anybody, and I just really love this look and I really hope you guys do too. And before we jump into the tutorial, I am wearing a cute little sweater from my boutique here. It is actually reversible, and I will show you guys how it looks reversed. So you can also wear the sweater like this with the lace in front and with the crisscross in the back. And I am wearing size small, and this cute little sweater is from my boutique. I will leave the link right here and also down in the description box below. Let's just jump right into this tutorial. Happy holidays, everybody. Deck of Scarlet is a makeup line and a subscription service where every 2 months you get a new makeup palette with all the products you need for a full face of makeup. Only $29.95 every other month. The season's palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, a blush, a highlighter, 2 lip colors, and the first ever Deck of Scarlet glitter liquid eyeliner, which, by the way, I really love, and it's super pigmented. I have a special link for you guys so you guys can get 30% off this edition of Deck of Scarlet palette. Click the link in the description box below. It's only $21 for your first palette. Each palette is always a collab with a top YouTuber. This palette's artist-in-chief is Christina X Makeup. Alright, so I hope you guys like the clip of me showing you guys the palette and telling you guys a little bit more about Deck of Scarlet. You can see I accidentally put on highlight, and I'm truly sorry about that. I totally forgot that there was a highlight in this palette, but no worries, we're gonna just layer that on. So first off, I'm gonna be taking this color right over here. Just gonna pop that all over the crease as my base. So the next color I'm going into is Moonstone right here, and it's such a beautiful blush color. Not only it is a really stunning color for blush, but I love these kind of colors on my crease, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that on my crease as well. You see how gorgeous that color is? Wow, so freaking pretty. I'm in love. It's also very pigmented. All the Deck of Scarlet palettes are very pigmented, and they're super blendable, you guys. The shadows blends amazingly. They're so smooth and velvety. Just really love a Deck of Scarlet, and that is why I've been working with them a few times now over the past like year or so. All right, so I'm actually gonna be going back into the other palette, and I am going to be taking this brown right here, this dark brown. Focus that on the outer corner of the eye and blending it into the crease just a little bit. All right, so I'm actually gonna be taking Onyx right here, which is the black. Wow, this black is really pigmented. So I'm just gonna run it like on the outer corner and like kind of along the lash line. Hope you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. So now for the fun part. I love glittery shimmery shadows, so I'm gonna go in with Tan Lines right here, which is the beautiful bronzy gold shimmery shade, which is perfect for all over the lid, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a flat brush that I normally use. Wow, pigmented. I was gonna do a halo eye, and I think it would have been really beautiful, but I think I'll do a halo eye on my next tutorial for sure. And I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Onyx again, which is that black, and I'm just gonna basically run it along wherever I originally put that color. Now on to the next fun part. So next, oh my gosh, glitter. I mean, who doesn't love glitter, especially for the holidays? Ooh, okay, so You can do a lot with this glitter. You can literally just run it along right there and then boom, call it a day. But I'm thinking to just put it all over and just have glitter eyes. What do you guys think? I think so. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this all over. But like I said, if you want something more subtle with the glitter, you can just go ahead and put it along, you know, the crease. And you know what I love about this glitter is that they're not really stingy with it. Like, a lot comes out. And unlike a lot of the glitter liners that are out in the markets, they're very stingy with their glitter. It's like not a lot comes out all at once, you know? So I really do love this. And this glitter, it's like, it has some gold and some silver in it, so it's just like so beautiful and versatile. But I think what I'm gonna do is just intensify the black a little bit on the outer corner. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of onyx again and just kind of intensify that. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner and I will be right back. All right guys, so I already have my liner on and also my lashes. This is what the eyes are looking like so far. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and work on the lower lash line. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and take Moonstone and just run it there. I'll take a hint of onyx and just kind of focus that on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take Moonstone again, which is the blush. Just pop that onto my cheeks. Wow, it's such a beautiful blush color, you guys. And I'm not really a big blush fan, but colors like this is just so freaking gorgeous and I love it. All right, even though I already have highlight on, but you know, more highlight, the better. So I'm gonna take the highlight color right here, which is called Bad Behavior. I'm gonna take that, top off my highlight. Ooh, it's beautiful. All right, so you can go two ways with this. You can take Bad Behavior and pop that in the inner corner, or you can go bold, like what I'm about to do, with the limoncello. This bright color right here. It just reminds me of that one Kylie Jenner picture, you know, with her yellow inner corner. I'm gonna do that too, okay? So I'm gonna take this, my pencil brush, and girl, wow. This color in the inner corner is to freaking die for. Ooh, I brought you guys closer so you guys can really see how it looks. Wow, you guys. All right, so I turned down the brightness a little bit so you guys can really see how everything looks. I just felt like it was a little bit too bright. So yeah, let's move on to the lip. So first I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with my Rimmel lip liner in the color 045 Epic. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Koi color right here, because you guys know I love my nudes. So I'm gonna take that all over the lips. It has like the pretty like gold reflex in it. So freaking pretty. All right, so you guys can of course leave it like this or use the other color even, and the other color is also really beautiful. But I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with a gloss with the new Dose of Colors and Disney collaboration lip gloss in One and Only. This color is so freaking beautiful. Yes. Alright guys, so this is the completed holiday glam look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this look. I honestly really love this look, especially with the glitter and the pop of yellow in there. Ooh, yes, I feel like you can wear this for Thanksgiving or even Christmas if you want to. And you can always switch out the inner corner color, but this yellow, girl, this yellow is everything. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Again, I will leave all the links and everything you need to know down in the description box below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and always leave your comment down below because I love to interact with you guys. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!